today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs for productivity as a student. Start by setting up the right format. In Google Docs, open File, Page Setup, choose Page List, and set it as default. Without page breaks, your writing flows smoothly on any screen, which is great for online reading and long notes. Give your document structure with headings, highlight a title, open the Style menu labeled Normal Text, and apply Heading 1 for the main title, Heading 2 for sections, and Heading 3 for subsections. Then go to View and turn on Show Outline to get a clickable sidebar that lets you jump between sections, perfect for long essays, scripts, or ebooks. Turn on Smart Productivity with Smart Chips. Type the @ symbol and insert a person, file, calendar event, meeting, or checklist so related items live right inside your doc. For example, add @project brief, @client, or @launch meeting, March 10th, and skip digging through emails. Use built-in tools to stay on track. Choose Insert, then Checklist for content planning, task tracking, or SOP steps. When ideas come faster than your typing, open Tools, Voice Typing, speak your thoughts, and edit afterward for clarity. Collaborate cleanly with Suggesting mode. Click the pencil icon at the top right and switch to Suggesting so edits appear as track changes others can accept or reject. Ideal for group work and approvals. Manage follow-ups with comments, highlight text, click comment, and assign with an mention like @teammate plus a brief note and due date. They'll get notified automatically, reducing back and forth emails. Save time with reusable templates. Create documents for proposals, meeting notes, content outlines, SOPs, scripts, and blog posts. When you need one, go to File, make a copy, rename it, and get to work. Boost speed with a few shortcuts. Bold with Ctrl+B, insert a link with Ctrl+K, add a comment with Ctrl+Alt+M. Apply Heading 1 with Ctrl+Alt+1 and find text with Ctrl+F. Small savings add up. Connect docs with other Google tools. Drive handles autosave. Calendar aligns meeting notes with events. Keep stores quick notes, and Sheets lets you embed data. Everything syncing in real time. Finally, use Docs for time blocking. Create a daily focus doc with today's top 3, a deep work block with start and end times, and notes. Open it first each morning to anchor your day. Put these moves together and Google Docs becomes a streamlined, student-friendly